This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Eric Levy. Gorgeous one-story home in East Boca's beautiful hidden valley with no HOA fee. Open house this Sat and Amp, Sunday, June 26th and Amp, 27th 1 to 3 p.m. Stunning vaulted ceilings with 2 large skylights, plantation shutters, bright open floor plan, split 4-bed, 2-bath and delightful screened patio and Amp, pool. Kitchen granite counters, SS appliances, and Amp, ceramic tile floors. Large master bedroom with sliding glass door to pool, his/her walk-in closets, oversized master bathroom. Spacious laundry room. 2-car garage. Immaculate lush tropical landscaping. Minutes to FAU, downtown Mizner Park and Amp, Royal Palm Plaza. Atlantic Avenue Delray Beach. Bike ride to beach. A+ rated schools. For more information, review the details below or contact Eric Levy at 561-654-6199.